is up, my friends? It's RJ here, and these are the Apple AirPods Pro. If you watched my initial impressions video, you know that they've been absolutely great and that I'm completely sold on them. You'd probably assume that since I am using the AirPods Pro, my go-to phone of choice would be an iPhone. Well, actually for the past week, I've been using the AirPods Pro alongside the OnePlus 7T. Full review on the AirPods Pro and the OnePlus 7T are coming within the next few weeks, so make sure you guys are subscribed and you have that bell notification icon turned on so you don't miss when that video drops. So you're probably thinking that I'm just crazy to be using the AirPods Pro with the OnePlus 7T and Android device, but I've been using AirPods on Android devices ever since 2016 with the original Google Pixel, and you actually don't miss out on too many features like some of you out there may think. There are three main reasons why I go with the AirPods over any other wireless earbuds on the market. I value portability and comfort as much as the next guy, and I still haven't been able to find a pair of wireless earbuds that are as compact as the AirPods Pro. Everything from the earbuds itself to the carrying case is super compact and portable, and I'm willing to pay good money just for the convenience factor. Secondly, with the AirPods Pro, you get amazing noise cancellation that work on any Android device. Aside from noise cancellation, my biggest gripe with a pair of wireless earbuds is that clogged up feeling that you get whenever you put something into your ears for far too long. With the AirPods Pro, Apple has actually designed it in such a way where the speaker grills are actually flushed, so you don't have these hard surfaces being inserted into your ear canals like with other wireless earbuds. You only get these super comfortable silicone tips going into your ear canals, and with that new equalization feature, pressure is being let through the micros to allow your ears to breathe and not feel all stuffy and clogged up. Essentially, you feel like you have nothing at all in your ears. Pairing the AirPods Pro with an Android is just like pairing any other wireless earbuds. Simply head over to settings, Bluetooth, pair new device, then hold down the white button on the back of the AirPods Pro for 15 seconds. A white LED light should start blinking, letting you know that the AirPods Pro are now ready to be paired and that they are in pairing mode. Click pair, and that's it. You have now connected your AirPods Pro with an Android device. So if the noise cancellation feature didn't work on Android, I definitely would not recommend the AirPods Pro. But you can actually cycle between transparency mode and noise cancellation, all with a simple pinch of the wireless earbuds. You can also pause, play music, and even skip through tracks just like how you would be able to on any iOS device. So what features are you exactly missing out on using the AirPods Pro with an Android? Well, for one, you are missing out on that auto in-ear detection to pause and play music. So say for example, somebody is talking to you and you don't want to sound rude, you take off your earbuds and the music will automatically stop, and once you put them back into your ears, they'll automatically resume. But on Android, whether you take them off or not, they will still continue to keep playing music. To be honest with you, it's not really a big deal now since we do get transparency mode, which allows us to clearly listen to our surrounding environment even with the earbuds in our ears. So it's not really that big of an issue that would ultimately sway me away from picking up the AirPods Pro for my Android device. You also would miss out on calling upon Siri, but on Android it would be Google Assistant, but with the AirPods Pro you can't even call upon Google Assistant. On an iPhone, you can easily check the battery levels on your AirPods Pro simply by popping them open next to a connected iOS device. On Android, you can't exactly do that, but there are some great third-party apps like Assistant Trigger to show your battery life, and it even allows you to enable Google Assistant. I know a lot of people use the AirPods Pro for taking phone calls, and call quality of AirPods on an Android is just as good as it is on an iPhone. Everything is loud and crystal clear, and you can easily switch between the AirPods, the speaker mic, and even the phone mic. My experience of AirPods on an Android device has always been excellent, even dating back to 2016 with the first generation of AirPods. Connectivity is always stable, portability is often undervalued, and battery life is just great. And with the AirPods Pro, there's no way that I can't recommend these to both Android and iOS users, especially with added features such as an IPX4 water resistant rating and noise cancellation. If you guys did enjoy that video, please do make sure you do like and subscribe, and share this video with anybody that may be on the fence of picking up the AirPods for their Android device but they aren't too sure. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your tech.